What's up everybody, this is Scott with Team 512 and I'm back with another video. This is going to be a behind the scenes video, kind of vlog style, when I'm filming the ACS Composite Jacking Puck video. So I'm actually making two videos today. I'm going to make the official install video of the Jacking Pucks, and then I'm going to make this video while I'm making that video so that you guys can see exactly what goes into making a Team 512 install video. And install videos are probably my favorite ones to make because I get to spend time here in the garage. This is basically what the garage looks like before I get it kind of cleaned up for a video shoot. You can see back here there's some buckets and there's some kids' chalk back there and a purple container. It's a little bit of a mess. I like to pick things up before I actually start filming an official install video. Of course, here's Ace sitting here looking good, black and red, and of course the C5 that's yet to be named. So if you guys have an idea for a name for the C5, go ahead down in the comments. You know what to do. So the first thing we need to do is get the C5 out of the garage so I can clear some more floor space so that I can actually set up the intro shot. Listen to this, you guys. It's not the quietest garage door, but look at that opener. Anybody want to take a guess when that opener was actually made? So like no fancy cold starts or anything. This is just me crawling inside, and I was really hoping the keys were in here. I found the keys and I spared you guys from watching me try to crawl back in here again. When it's cold like this, you don't even have to give it any gas. You just put it in reverse and slowly let out the clutch, and kind of does its thing. As you guys can probably see, without the C5 in here, we've got a lot more floor space to work with, and I can start to set up the intro shot. So to kind of let you guys into the creative process, I thought about keeping everything packaged nicely for the official install video, but I needed to get these jacking pucks out because, well, I had to test fit them, and then once those are test fitted and in the car, I needed something to shoot for B-roll. So I ended up just opening this thing so that I would have all the jacking pucks to work with out of the car. So we're gonna do some B-roll before we actually shoot the intro and the rest of the video. So let's knock out some of that B-roll now. All right, so we have the jacking pucks set up on the table over here and some of the hardware laying, and I'm trying to figure out what type of shot I wanna get. Now, for a lot of my videos, especially these install videos, you will see the result of this Sony camera. This is a Sony a6400, and it is an absolute beast. What I have over here is a 30mm Sigma 1.4 prime lens. That might mean something to some of you, it might mean nothing to a lot of you. I don't want to bore you with all of that, but it enables me to get some really, really cool shots. And guys, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the jacking puck there. And look at that shot. That shot is incredible. Can you guys see how blurred out everything is around the jacking puck, and all you really see is that awesome anodized finish there? So that's what this lens on this camera can do. You guys see what the shot looks like here. This is what it's gonna end up looking like. Boom. So that's a beautiful pull focus shot or rack focus shot. I'm not the greatest B-roll shooter. I'd like to get better at it, but right now it's just kind of, you know, I'm still kind of learning that piece of it. So the next thing I'm gonna do here is I'm actually gonna set up the intro shot, and we can actually start filming me on camera for the install video. One of the most difficult things about shooting videos in this garage is all of this natural light you guys see coming through these windows and that window over there. So if I'm not shooting a video, it's awesome. It's like being in another room in my house, particularly with the Swiss Trax floor. It just feels like another room. But what happens is this light coming in during the day actually messes up the exposure of the camera. So the camera's not really sure, should I expose for the brightest spots in the room, or should I expose you know, me or the car or whatever the camera's on inside of the garage. That's exactly why I built this little corner over here, so that I can kind of control the lighting a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and set up what I think might work for an intro for this video, and then I'll come get you guys. I also live very close to a gun club. In fact, it's just on the other side of my property. So sometimes you can hear gunshots in my videos, and I've actually had people comment about that, that very fact. So anyway, here's what I've done so far. I've got my Sony camera with the same 30mm prime lens set up over here. I have a table, my work table, or my my cocktail table from the corner over there set up, and this is what I think the first shot should be. But guys, take a look at this through the Sony camera, and you tell me. What I'm gonna do now is take you guys on a test shot with me. I'm not gonna take you on it, you're just gonna be a part of it. If you didn't notice, I now have my lapel mic. It is a wireless lapel mic, so I have the transmitter here, and I have the receiver right here. And you can see here when I talk, we have good levels. Can you see that, you guys? I don't know if you can see that. Check, 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 check. I'm gonna hit record on this camera. I'm gonna sit down over here, and this is how I typically start out. So let's do a test shot. What's up, everybody? This is Scott with Team 512, and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be installing the ACS Composite Jacking Pucks on my C7 Corvette Grand Sport. Okay, so that was a test shot. Let's check for framing, exposure, and any other issues we might have had with that shot. I think I've already seen an issue before I started recording. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my head is cut off. All right, I'm gonna set you guys up here. I'm gonna get over there, and I'm gonna film the intro. Now, typically the intros to my videos are the most scripted. There's certain things that I definitely wanna say in an intro. The rest of the video, when I'm actually doing the install, is typically a little bit more of an ad-lib situation. But I'm gonna try to nail this out in one take. Make sure my shirt looks good and I'm hiding my little belly. What's up, everybody? This is Scott with Team 512, and I'm back with a... Crap. See? That didn't go as planned. What's up, everybody? This is Scott with Team 512, and I'm back with another video. What's up, everybody? This is Scott with Team 512, and I'm back with another video. Stand by. What's up, everybody? This is Scott with Team 512. What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up, everybody? This is Scott with Team 512, and I'm... What's up, everybody? This is Scott from Team 512, and I'm back with another video. Today, we're going to be installing a set of jacking pucks from ACS Composite on my C7 Corvette Grand Sport. All right, so that was okay. I got most of what I wanted to say out in that intro. I want to get moving on and filming the rest of this video and get it done today. So this is what an intro looks like. I try to do one-take intros so that I have the most flexibility to cut. If I had multiple cameras like this, it makes it a little bit easier when I'm doing cuts, but only using one camera, I like to nail out the entire intro in one take. Now, you saw it took 3 or 4 or 5 or 7 or 8 takes for me to get that one down, and thought that was pretty good. So let's set up the next shot for you guys. All right, you guys, so here is the setup for the next shot. I changed lenses on the camera. Woo. Now I am using the kit lens right here that the camera came with, and surprisingly, it's actually a really nice lens. What is this thing called? All right, you guys, so what I'm gonna do now is take this suction cup and case for the camera that I'm using right now, and I'm going to set it up here on the window so that the GoPro is aimed right down on the workbench, and I can get a top view of what I'm doing. So you're gonna have to see that in the actual video, because I can't use this camera to film this video and that video at the same time. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'll see you guys in a second. For the install, what I want to do is take my race ramps up there on top of the refrigerator and put the car up on the race ramps so that I can get, well, really good camera footage and lighting from under the car so you can see exactly how to do the install. And you guys know in my videos, I really try to get, you know, some of the best camera angles and best lighting that I possibly can, so that if you're gonna do an install like this at home, you have a better visual understanding of how to do the install. So here's the race ramps here, and I'm gonna show you how to, well, not how to, but how I get the car up on the race ramps. So check this out, you guys. I'm gonna be using these old school hockey pucks for this part, and they just go in and twist, and then I can line the lift arm up. Now that the lift arms are underneath the car on both sides, we're gonna go ahead and start lifting with the Max Jacks M6 lift. We're gonna go ahead and slide these underneath the car at all four corners, and then we can get set up for our first shot. All right, you guys, so I spent the last 15-20 minutes trying to get this shot here of the jacking point from under the car. You can see we've got some light here, and then we also have the camera set up on this smaller tripod. And there's the shot. All right, you guys, here we are underneath of the C7. Here is the rear passenger side jacking point. All right, you guys, so the first one is installed, and we'll move up to the front of the car and do the second one. But we'll kill this spider first. Woo, that was a big boy. I definitely don't want to crawl under there. It's springtime in Pennsylvania, and we get these huge wolf spiders, and I'm not really a big fan of spiders anyway, but these things are pretty big, and there was one just under here crawling around somewhere, and it went down into the Swiss tracks, and I have no idea where he's hiding, but I definitely want to find him before I start crawling underneath the car again. All right, you guys, I just finished up doing a few more shots. I have one more to do, and that's the outro, and then I'll be all finished. But in order to do that, I need to move the C7 out of the garage. And so, well, let's get a little bit of a cold start. Now, this one's a little bit easier to get into than the C5 is. All right, let's do it. It gets me every time. All right, guys, so the C7 is out in the driveway. Now we can get ready for the outro shot. It's looking a little gray outside, so we want to get this done before the rain comes because, well, you guys know Corvettes melt in the rain. All right, you guys, so here it is, the final outro shot. We have the 30mm. Let's try that again. All right, you guys, here it is, the final outro shot. We have the 30mm prime lens back on the Sony here, as you can see. We have the table moved away from the wall. I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing what it takes to film one of these videos. In fact, I'm gonna check my phone and see what time it is right now, because I started at roughly 11 o'clock today, and it is now 1:36. So 2.5 hours to get this video done, and this was a really short video. Well, not this video, but the install video was really short. It's not very complicated to install those jacking pucks. So thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Hope you all are doing well and you're healthy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Smash that like button. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video or any of my other videos, you can always email me at team512garage@gmail.com and leave me some comments. You guys know I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as I do. Till next time, see ya.